Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to remove a Stanley Tumblr lid spinner. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you have a Stanley Tumbler, which is that Stanley cup that everyone's into, then the top of it, the lid, is going to have a spinner. I'm just calling it the lid spinner, as you can see right over here, okay? And this lid spinner right here can be removed for easy cleaning, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's so easy, and you should learn how to do it, because if you're going to clean it, you should clean it properly, and you should be cleaning it, so therefore you should be definitely cleaning it properly. You're going to look on the underside, and if you look on the underside, you can see that there's these two little prongs over here. What you're going to want to do is press those in towards the center, and then as you press them in far enough, you're going to be able to push away, and then that's going to pop this out of place. So press them in towards the center, okay, and then push away a little bit, and as you can see, I've just popped it out, and then I can now go on the other side and remove it just like that. That is how to remove the lid spinner on this Stanley Tumbler. It's really, really easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in this tutorial. And if you want to put it back in, you simply get these over here. You're going to press them slightly together, and you're going to press them in there. So what I like to do is I like to use some leverage, and I just sort of push one of them against the side here, and then I sort of hook the other one in place, and I push it down. So I got one of them in place. I push it against the side here, and then I'm going to push the other one in. So I almost had it popped out of place. I get one, I push it against the side, and then I get the second one in place. Once the second one is in place, which it is right now, both of them are in there, I just push it down. And that's how to put it back in place. It is that easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.